7 valves. Different construction, different purpose. Today we compare the most common industrial valve types engineers use in real piping systems. From compact butterfly valves to heavy-duty knife gate valves, let's see how they actually work. Butterfly valve, one of the most compact and widely used valves in industrial piping systems. Simple construction, fast 90-degree operation, an excellent choice for large diameter pipelines. Ball valves provide reliable shutoff with minimal leakage. Simple construction, fast operation, and low pressure drop make them extremely popular in industrial systems. Globe valve is designed for precise flow control and throttling applications. Unlike many other valve types, it can accurately regulate flow instead of only fully opening or closing the pipeline. Gate valve is designed for full flow with minimal pressure loss. When fully open, the gate moves completely out of the flow path, allowing fluid to pass almost without restriction. Knife gate valve is designed for dirty, abrasive, and slurry applications. Its sharp gate can cut through thick media like wastewater, pulp, powders, or biomass. Diaphragm valve uses a flexible diaphragm to control and isolate the flow. Because the operating mechanism is separated from the process fluid, it is an excellent choice for corrosive, contaminated, or hygienic applications. Check valve is designed to allow flow in only one direction. It opens automatically when the fluid moves forward and closes when the flow tries to reverse. Let's talk about valve weights. Guessing which one is the lightest is probably easy, but which valve is actually the heaviest? Keep in mind, all values shown here are for DN100. When you move up to DN300, some of these valves become real monsters. Weight isn't the only factor. Valve length also matters, especially in crowded piping systems where installation space is limited. With a worker standing next to them, these DN100 valves may not look very large. But once you move to DN300 or DN500, some of these valves become larger than a person's torso and can weigh hundreds of kilograms. And the last thing before we finish this valve tutorial, all of these valve models were downloaded from 3dfindit.com. If you're looking for realistic CAD models for your projects, give it a try. You might love it. And finally, here are the most common applications for these valves. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more useful engineering practice.